Welcome back to the videos. Today it's custom kit day. Just heading over to Jimmy and Emily's office and I'm going to put together my own custom cycling kit. So if you watched yesterday's video, you'll know that we had the idea of making a custom jersey. Basically, Attacus made this orange jersey. Orange. I really want an orange jersey, so I'm going to make one. I need some help with the design though, Jimmy.
You've already got an orange jersey. What are you talking about?
It's not orange.
It's literally there and it's literally orange. That's what Attacus Custom's about.
1 metre, mate.
Oh shit.
Look at Pantones. Are these Pantones? That's orange. There you go. Weird coincidence. First and most crucial step for me is finding out the right colour, because I actually want it to be orange.
Why are you so aggressive about it? Are you going to bleep that one or keep that one in?
Because it's a small square and because it's rounded by white, you sometimes get a better perspective if you can sort of see it.
See it out of off the sheet. All of this kind of looks different on the camera as well. It's really hard, isn't it?
Oh, it will do, yeah. One of the biggest challenges, obviously, with colour and digital displays is we have to photograph it and make it look as true as possible. But then, depending on, you know, your screen settings, your phone settings, everything then changes it a bit as well. So it's so hard to get it right.
And where you're standing.
Well, yeah, absolutely. So if you take this sheet literally outside the door where there's natural light, it'll look different again.
I want it to look really bright, but kind of deep as well. Like not quite high vis. I don't want it to look like you're wearing a high vis jersey. I want it to look rich and not yellow.
You thinking 179?
I think so. Totally changes it.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
So to get an idea of what this kit's going to look like, we can actually do a mock-up using an existing image they took of a physical jersey, like properly with the camera, not a CAD drawing or anything, and then just change the colours, because there's one that's fairly close to it, which is the current orange jersey. So we can skew the colours, fiddle with the design that we want, and get an idea of what it will actually look like. If this comes out good, 100%, we will put this up for pre-order, and you can order them as well if you want. I'm thinking like minimal logos, especially on the front. I want it to be like nice and neutral.
You've picked your colour.
Yeah.
I can't remember what it was called. Warm red CV.
Orange.
Orange, yeah. It should actually be called like bleeping orange jersey.
I want to make sure the design is simple. I don't really want my own name on it in big or anything like that.
Right.
But I do want it to have I want you guys' name on it, because you guys have supported me since the start of the videos, and I think it'll be sick.
For Attacus Custom, we've got set logo placements. So we're always going to have Attacus Custom on the chest and then a little baby moth on the back pocket. Other than that, it's whatever the hell you want.
Massive Attacus. Big boy Attacus. Boo.
Bigger?
Yeah, bigger.
Alright, placement first. What are you talking about?
Bigger.
Where though? I'm not convinced you thought this through enough.
So we're going to put some like, little detailing in. Would you?
You can't even keep your straight face now, could you?
Can we put summing up the cummage?
Yeah.
In on the.
Yeah, push
We can put it inside the jersey.
the collar. Collar full of cummage.
We're in business.
This is the women's and men's, which will both look the same, but just to give you a visual representation, that's the back.
Yeah. Orange. Massive Attacus on the back. That was my decision, not you guys. You guys didn't force me to do that.
Yeah, I want to caveat this. You said we have gone. No, you have gone. This is your creation.
Yeah.
I do not put my name to it.
Made it obvious that it is a CADE collaboration with a little thing on the sleeve, little thing on the back. Jersey is exactly the same as the standard Attacus jerseys in terms of like fit and everything, and sizing's the same as well. Like it is one of these jerseys. We're just doing jerseys, not shorts as well. I think it's going to go great with black shorts or navy shorts. So that gives you the option there. All of the normal sizes for Attacus are available. We're going to figure out the details to be able to sell these, and I'll put a link down below as a pre-order. Orders will take 8 to 10 weeks from the pre-order closing, so we're going to put it up for a week. So you've got a chance to order it if you want it. And yeah, I mean, here's a proper picture. I'll put it over here, flash it up on the screen.
Are we allowed to buy one?
Pre-order. You can buy what you want.
All right.
What do
Just like
do you have to like pay yourself, or do you just have?
Yes, I paid Jimmy and he pays me. Should we go for a bike ride now?
Oh, do we have to?
Do
You don't have to. You know what it is.
So hilly. Lift going down. What are you guys doing? You both got road bikes. Now I've got to keep up on my gravel bike. Is that how it is?
That's basically a road bike. Looks the same.
Well, except for the big tyres. Different geometry.
Not that big.
Well, that's
These are pretty big. 28s. They're only like what? 33.
40.
Nah.
40s?
Nah.
It's a conspiracy. We're trying to slow you down so that we can keep up with you.
Can't see you. It's like your new face. doesn't really mean anything to anyone, does it? No. They don't know what happens behind here.
I got few things, but if you need $1 bill in your blue jeans, I'ma throw it to you, honey, like I'm Drew Brees. I'm just happy that my crib got 2 sinks, cause that's a whole lot more than what I do need. And my gut steady tied like a shoestring. New thing, still jumping like a moon swing.
So it's raining, but only raining a little bit. And it's enough to get us wet, but the road isn't wet. We're not gonna go too far. Luckily, as soon as you leave the house, it's nice lanes like this, so the perks of moving around here, it is actually quite grim.
I'm a nomad, but I'm not mad, and I'm so glad I get played for the irony like throwback. So snap, who knows what they have on.
Lovely. This guy knows. You need the tin opener though.
Oh yeah. So, to round up today's video, custom jersey page is now live. I'll put a link down below to that. Final design is pretty much as orange as you can go before it becomes red. Really happy with how it's come out. As I said, with the design, I wanted to put Attacus front and center because they've been such a big part of these videos and the YouTube channel as a whole. They've supported me right from the start. I met Jimmy on one of the first video outings I actually did, and at the turning point when it became a cycling channel. We've figured out the price, so it's not actually that much more than a standard Attacus jersey. Obviously, because of the numbers that we're ordering, it will be slightly more because it's not a massive run like they do on their standard colors. But yeah, if you want to buy one, that'll be sick. It'll take a few weeks to come through. I'm going to end today's video now. I've still got 2 more days left up here in the north, so we're going to get a big ride in tomorrow. Thank you as always for watching. Please subscribe, please leave a comment down below, leave a like, and I'll see you tomorrow.